Well, welcome everybody. I'm Jason Warren. I'm one of the two course directors, and with me is Dr. Jen Agustus, who is the other. And the first thing to say is congratulations for choosing this course. Dementia, as I'm sure none of you need to be reminded of, is probably the biggest chronic social and health problem facing the world. And we believe that the course at UCL is unique. Why we say that because it tries to fuse both the biology of the diseases and an understanding of those with an understanding of how they manifest in patients. In other words, how the disease processes cause the symptoms that present to doctors and that patients and families have to live with. The foundation of the course is really a core syllabus of a survey of all the major dementia diseases, where we look at all of those aspects together. The disease biology ranging right through to symptoms that people experience and how those are managed. And there's an initial core syllabus followed by a much more interactive module in which students are able to, encouraged to actively participate and in which the more practical aspects of the diseases are brought to the fore. And ultimately, that also includes a discussion of management. And of course, one of the major priorities of all of dementia research is to come up with really effective treatments that can alter the course of the disease. And a lot of the research effort is ultimately directed toward that. So that's sort of the basic structure and philosophy of the course. And what I'll do is hand over to Jen to tell you a bit more about the experience of what it's like to be a student on the course. So Jen.
Thank you, Jason. And yes, congratulations to you all for receiving offers to come and study at UCL on the MSc in Dementia. We attract a wide variety of students from a range of different backgrounds, from the biology end of the spectrum through to psychology, social scientists and clinicians who are looking to specialise. So we like to harness this unique opportunity to look at different aspects of dementia by trying to encourage students to interact with each other. So we set up sessions just for the MSc dementia students, so you can share your expertise and your understanding of the topic from where you've come from. But we also tailor the course into your individual needs, so you have opportunity to select your own optional modules, whether that's from the Institute or our sister department over at Psychiatry or across life sciences. So you can use this as a stepping stone for your career to try and develop the type of person and the type of career you want to go on to do. We try to embellish this and help you improve your scientific research skills and your communications. For example, we have journal clubs that are facilitated by early career researchers that provide you an opportunity to learn the cutting edge of research that's going on at UCL, but also to critically appraise and be involved in scientific discourse. And you have opportunities to present your work to your peers, so you get to develop your communication skills so that you leave UCL with a skill set that best serves you for whatever the next stage of your career is. The end of your MSc culminates in your research project, whether that's an in-depth systematic review or data-driven project, and you will get to choose that from the supervisors that offer projects throughout the department. We also have some patient sessions that we endeavour to give you a bit of a holistic view of dementia and the impact that this has not only on patients, but also on their families as well. We hope the course gives you a whole package, so at the end of it you've got a really good understanding from everything from the research bench through to the bedside.